Coding is a basic skill that is increasingly important in this era. Coding skill not only open up professional opportunities in the IT world, but also teaches ways of thinking that will have a good influence on the need-taking process. So in this video, I will recommend a game that can help you learn programming language. But before entering the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so you can get the latest information about the application, okay? So let's go straight to the video. Algorithm City. This game a fun and innovative coding game to teach kids the basic of programming and algorithms. So this game will train your logic in programming language. For games, it teaches coding with fun games with animals. You will get basic coding concepts such as command, sequencing, function, and loops by guiding characters by collecting gold and completing levels. CodeMonkey. CodeMonkey is an environmental educational game that allows you to learn various programming language. There are many characters to play this game from technical skills, so you will not get required about code. So for novice programmers whose understanding and skill of code are still limited, it's very important suitable for using this application. In this arcade-type game, you can just learn to code, but also can have fun and play catch bananas to save the world. Expected abilities. By playing this game, players can create and develop applications of the game itself. Code Combat. Code Combat is a game that can be played while learning to code. Code Combat presents a game that is especially for those who want to learn computers through real games. From this game, you can learn programming language Java, JavaScript, Python, and also CoffeeScript. So that through this game, you will be able to learn programming language in a fun way. With a good graphic display, this game makes you feel at home in playing it. So you no longer need to worry about learning programming, because with this game you can practice basic programming learning skills. Okay, in this application is a programming learning application that is suitable for beginners who are looking for how to learn coding through Android in a fun way. This application provides a quiz that can help you understand and function, and this application has special features, namely basketball game to explain data structure, interactive coding challenge and coding games, win daily prize for daily studies habits, then get help from thousands of students on the forum, and much more that you can get from this application. CodeMiner. CodeMiner is a game that can help you learn programming. You sharpen your programming skill by playing real coding games. In CodeMiner, you will be an engineer who has to programming mining robots from various challenge texts, given that you know the basic of programming and JavaScript. This application provides programming challenge that you can help you to learn, and the features you get this application are programmable robot, embedded JavaScript engine, developer-friendly code editor, and much more. Okay, so that's a game application that can help you learn programming. Hopefully it is useful, and I really hope that you can become programmer, okay? Maybe that's all for my video this time. I'm the admin of the channel. See you in the next video.